Hey everyone, I'm Philip Curry and today we're making a simple lemon tart. We're starting with a sweetened flaky pastry. So when I say sweetened, it's just got a little bit of sugar and that's going to balance out the sweetness of our curd. The secret in this recipe is blending our curd at a specific temperature to achieve a specific, just set, creamy lemon curd. Let's do it. Directly in over the saucepan, we just want to zest a whole lemon. We want to add our lemon juice, and I'm just straining it in case there are any seeds. Caster sugar and soy milk. Initially our soy milk is going to split, but that's fine. It'll come back together. I'm just going to bring this to a simmer on medium-high heat, and then in another small bowl I'm mixing the water with the cornstarch. We just need to dissolve the cornflour and make a slurry before we add it into the mixture, just to make sure there are no lumps and just to get the best texture possible. As soon as this comes to a boil, turn it to low heat and then add it in one go while stirring our hot lemon mixture. We want to keep cooking this mixture until it thickens, and it's going to feel thick at first, but we actually want it to boil. So we want to just feel some bubbles start to come through, and then we'll just give it another whisk for about 30 seconds. We can turn that off. So when we're just preparing, say, one tart, you can pour it onto a wide flat surface. So I like to just pour it onto my stone bench top with some cling film on top, and then just want to make sure that we're wrapping the surface so we're not getting a skin forming. And we're just letting this cool down until it's 25 degrees. So in order to finish the lemon curd, I'm just now squeezing. So our curd has cooled down to room temperature. You can see it's got a nice thick consistency. So I'm just adding the coconut oil now. So the coconut oil will melt with that little bit of residual heat in our curd. So you can see that the curd is quite thick now since it's starting to cool down, and where the coconut oil is melting, it's looking a little bit kind of split, but we can just keep mixing it. But I really like this extra step of blending it. If I was to leave it like this, it would be quite set and have a jelly-like texture. So I like to just blend it. So it's all of a sudden lighter and silkier. So where we might have described the curd as being jelly-like, you know, kind of having a set jellied texture, it's now creamy and silky. So next up, we're just taking our curd and pouring our curd mixture into our tart case. And then just using my palette knife to gently spread it around my tart case. So now we have this lovely, luscious, silky curd texture. I'm just putting this in the fridge for at least 1 hour, preferably 2, and we're ready to serve it. I hope you love it as much as I do.